If A negative 3 the whole square positive B negative 4 the whole square positive C positive 5 the whole square equals to 0, what is the value of A positive B positive C? Okay, now let's consider the equation we have over here. The first one is a square term, that is A negative 3 is squared. The second one is also the square, that is B negative 4 is squared. And the third one is the C positive 5 is squared. We know that the value of a square term can be 0 or positive. It can never be negative. Here the addition of 3 square terms is equal to 0. Since the addition of 3 square terms is equal to 0, so the value of each square term over here must be 0, so that the addition of the 3 square terms can be equal to 0. Okay, if the first one is equal to 0, then what must be the value of A? Then A must be 3. Then only 3 negative 3 will become 0. 0 squared is 0. So we get A equals to 3. If the second one is 0, what must be the value of B? Then B must be 4, so that B 4 negative 4 will become 0. Okay, then here, if this one is equal to 0, what must be the value of C? The value of C must be negative 5. Here I got the values of A, B and C. My aim is to get the value of A positive, B positive, C. Okay, now let's get the value of A positive, B positive, C. Let's plug in the values for A, B and C. For A we have 3 and for B we have 4 and for C we have negative 5. Okay, 3 positive 4 is 7, 7 negative 5 is 2. Here I got the value of A positive, B positive, C, that is 2.